Braintree Payments App. The pros, the cons. Braintree Payments App is a PayPal-owned platform offering flexible payment solutions for online businesses. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just another PayPal option. Braintree supports multiple payment types, subscriptions, and global currencies. On the pros side, Braintree allows credit cards, PayPal, Venmo, digital wallets, and recurring billing. Its developer-friendly app enables custom integrations, advanced fraud protection, and detailed analytics. The platform is scalable, supporting startups to enterprise-level businesses. On the cons side, setup and integration may require technical expertise, and fees can be higher for small businesses with limited transactions. Some users report that customer support can be slower than expected. In conclusion, Braintree Payments App is perfect for businesses seeking flexible, scalable, and secure online payment processing. While technical knowledge may be required, its multiple payment options, global reach, and developer tools make it a reliable solution for growing businesses.